Coventry University, located in the historic city of Coventry, UK, was established in 1843. Over the past century and beyond, it has grown into a dynamic, forward-thinking institution, known for its gold-rated teaching, high employability rate, and extensive industry partnerships. Coventry University offers a broad spectrum of undergraduate programs, which are much sought after in today's competitive job market. Courses typically commence in September each year, with some available for the January intake as well. An application can be submitted directly through the UCAS system for UG programs and through Coventry's online application portal for PG programs with the required documents. For personalized, quick, and end-to-end guidance throughout the application process and beyond, we at Edvoy are here to assist. All international students must demonstrate English proficiency with an IELTS or TOEFL score. Coventry University may also accept a medium of instruction MOE letter if previous education was conducted in English. Coventry University delivers high-quality education across a wide range of courses at competitive tuition fees. Visit the official website for the full course list. International students can benefit from various funding options, including the Vice Chancellor's Scholarship, Early Payment Discount, EU Support Bursary, and Sports Scholarships, offering savings from £2,500 GBP to £4,000 on tuition fees. Coventry University offers an energetic and well-rounded student experience across its 3 campuses: Coventry, London, and Scarborough. Students can enjoy a 24/7 library, fully equipped gyms, free fitness classes, modern accommodation, and a range of sports clubs aimed at supporting both academic success and personal growth. All in all, calling Coventry University simply a good UK university would be an understatement. It's a truly outstanding institution that empowers students with the support, opportunities, and global outlook to thrive. Begin your journey with Coventry University.